Cracks in brick, cracks in block, sticking windows or doors. Settling or sinking foundation, it's a fact. Foundation problems don't get better with time, but they do get better when you call APS.
It's the daily weather briefing video. This is the morning edition. This is for Friday, the 9th of September. I'm James Spann. Moisture levels increasing statewide today. We'll see some rain. Many places getting wet later today and tonight. Scattered showers and storms this weekend. And then a really nice push of dry air coming in here by Tuesday of next week. And that'll give us some nice quiet weather for a while. Let's begin with the upper air look across the country. Early this morning. This is the weather about 18,000 feet off the ground. And the little feature that's around New Orleans, that little upper low, there's also a surface feature underneath that that's helping to pull in the deeper moisture today. And the good news out in the west, the upper high has been kind of crushed out there by a trough, so heat levels are coming down. And there's the remnant of a tropical system, K, that's approaching Southern California, and that might give them some rain today. But around here, we'll check the radar this morning, doing this update live at the insane hour of 5:20 a.m. Had some rain over Baldwin County, and really much of the state rain-free at the moment. The better chance of rain today coming after the lunch hour. Temperatures are mostly in the low 70s, got a few upper 60s. For many spots over North Alabama, they'll stay in the 70s all day today because of clouds and showers. We'll see low 80s down to the south. Here's a look at the watch warning map early this morning. And you can see there's a flash flood watch for parts of Florida, North Florida, especially from about Panama City on east. That's where the heavier rain will be. And around the nation, a pretty quiet morning. Still some heat issues out west and flash flood watches for parts of the southwest because of that Pacific tropical system, the remnants. Here's the severe weather outlook for the rest of today and tonight. We have a marginal risk east of the state for parts of Georgia and South Carolina. Also a small marginal risk over parts of Wisconsin and upper Michigan. No severe storms expected tomorrow. And the same thing on Sunday. No organized severe weather expected. Let's look at the rain for the next 7 days. Numbers are coming down for Alabama. Now the WPC forecast suggesting much of the state with under 1/2 inch over the next 7 days. Which is good. We don't expect any flooding problems today. We'll have some rain at times later today and tonight. Scattered showers and storms over the weekend. And then, again, a pretty good chunk of next week is going to be dry. In the tropics, right here at the climatological peak of the hurricane season, we do have Earl, a hurricane that is moving away from Bermuda. And a couple of tropical waves off to the east. Earl with winds of 100 miles an hour. Looks like this will not become a major hurricane after all. And it should go post-tropical in the North Atlantic tomorrow in the cooler water. And concerning the other two waves, that lead wave out in the central Atlantic, that will probably not develop because of strong winds aloft. And we'll keep an eye on the lower latitude wave that's coming through the East Atlantic. Remains to be seen if that thing has a chance. This is the probabilistic outlook of tropical depression formation coming off the European global model. And again, you can see no evidence of any of these classic waves coming close to the United States for the next 7 to 10 days. There is a little low chance near the Atlantic coast, kind of a homegrown system there that might try and form. But again, the chance is low and nothing showing up there for the Gulf of Mexico. So again, things are quiet. So model fans, here we go. This is the GFS. This is the 06C run, valid today at 4. There's the upper low, this over Louisiana. And again, there's a weak surface low underneath that around New Orleans. And again, being on the east side of that, the deeper moisture comes north, and we're expecting periods of rain later today and tonight. Will not rain all day, obviously. There might be a rumble of thunder, but no severe storms expected. And the high pretty close to 80 for a lot of communities today. Now, this is tomorrow. The GFS actually trending a little drier, which is a good thing, and that we've got some college football games in the state tomorrow and tomorrow night. Still, we'll mention a chance of scattered showers, but it looks like rain might not be as much of a factor as we thought earlier this week. Again, the high, low 80s, a lot of clouds around. And Sunday, we'll mention scattered showers and storms. Again, not a washout, but some rain possible at times. The high Sunday in the low 80s. And Monday, a push of dry air begins to come in. The better chance of showers Monday, probably shifting to areas east and south of Birmingham. And by Tuesday, we get into a refreshingly dry air mass. Tuesday, the sky will be sunny, highs low 80s. The humidity comes down. And again, Tuesday morning, we could see some 50s around here to start the day very easily. And the same thing on Wednesday. Many spots in the 50s. The high, low to mid 80s. The humidity stays low. Thursday, maybe a little moisture coming back for the east and southeastern part of the state. And this is a week from today, Friday the 16th. Little upper low that tries to form across South Alabama in evidence. Just maybe a few showers could come back at the end of next week on Friday. But at this point, Tuesday, Wednesday look really, really nice. We'll go out 10 days. This is Sunday the 18th. An upper high a little north and west of the state. And again, that looks pretty quiet. Showers confined to the southern counties if this verifies. Rain for Birmingham. Got a big spread out here in the ensembles, out to 15 days, but the mean is only about 1 inch between now and the 24th of September. Temperatures coming off the national blend of models. Again, this is for Birmingham. Lows around 60 Tuesday and Wednesday morning, but many places will be in the 50s. Highs in the 80s for a while. And the latest 8 to 14-day guidance in the house. This is for September 16th through the 22nd. You can see temperatures here could be a little above average if this forecast verifies. So I had some pretty cool pictures yesterday. Crepuscular rays at sunset, thanks to Bob Phillips, our friend that took that shot over Limestone Park in Alabaster. And we had some Thursday night lights. A lot of the high school games were moved to last night because of the threat of rain tonight. Looks like that's down at Prattville. I can tell by looking at that, that's from Piedmont, home of the Bulldogs. Good-looking sunset going on there. That shot seems to be from Clanton, Chilton County High School. So you do this long enough, you know these stadiums, you know these schools. And I know that one. That's Tuscaloosa County High School in Northport. Good-looking sunset there. Hey, check this out. Look at the Gulf of Mexico. Wow. And again, this is the 9th of September. I mean, we can just have ferocious tropical storms and hurricanes this time of the year, but the Gulf remains flat as a pancake. And got to show a cow picture. These were taken yesterday up on Lookout Mountain around San Rock, which is slightly awesome. So a couple of quick notes here. Remember, on Fridays during September and October, there will be no afternoon weather briefing video because I'm live at a football game. Tonight we're going to be at Pinson Valley. It's Clay Chalkville at Pinson Valley. That game's over on My 68, our sister station. This morning I'm going out to, Harvest Christian School. There's a Harmony and a Harvest. This is Harvest Christian School out in Rock Creek. And tomorrow we have a book signing in Huntsville. The Moon Bake Shop, 10 to 1. I want to see you there. We have a lot of fun at those things. We'll have all the books, the shirts, the weather shirts and the hats and everything, and Weathering Life. All you can do is pray. Our children's weather book, Benny and Chipper. It's great fun. So Huntsville, we hope to see you there. So that's it for the afternoon edition of the weather briefing video. We'll have notes on the blog, AlabamaWX.com. And if you can, join us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great weekend, and God bless.
Sagging, bouncing, or uneven floors? Call Alabama Professional Services. Standing water or high humidity? Call APS. Nasty odors or dangerous mold? Call APS. Critters, bugs, or other pests? That's right, call APS. It's a fact. Crawl space problems don't get better with time, but they do get better when you call APS. Call Alabama Professional Services today.